My top 5 secret ingredients for the best egg salad sandwich. Hey, Chef Dez coming at you from my kitchen again, corporate chef of BC Egg. Yeah, I'm gonna share with you my 5 secret ingredients that I always put in one of my most favorite sandwiches ever, the egg salad sandwich. So I'm gonna make some egg salad for a bunch of sandwiches. I'm starting off with 6 large BC eggs. Always remember, every single large BC egg has 14 key nutrients, all 9 essential amino acids, over 6 grams of the highest quality protein you can get, and 1 large egg, it's only 80 calories. These have already been boiled, chilled, and peeled, and I have them here on my board. I'm just gonna chop them up. A little secret, I didn't boil them. They are hard steamed. So I steamed them instead of boiling them. That's all I do now. I never hard boil eggs. Check out my video on steaming eggs. You will find that they peel a lot easier and the texture is so much better. All right, let's chop these up. Look at how beautifully cooked these are. There's no green ring, and when you bite into a steamed egg, you'll just love it. Now that we have our eggs chopped up, the first 3 ingredients I add, they're not secret at all. They're pretty much standard in any egg salad, which is mayonnaise, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper. Now I'm gonna show you where the magic happens with my 5 secret ingredients. Coming in at number 5, celery. You gotta have celery, so I have about a 1/4 cup of celery to go with those 6 eggs. Number 4, chives. A couple tablespoons of chopped chives. The celery adds a lot of crunch, and the chives just give it that nice flavor. Number 3, sweet green relish. A couple tablespoons of that. Number 2, 1 tablespoon of pickle juice. Yeah, just drain off some pickle juice from your dill pickles in your fridge. It adds an incredible acid to this that makes it taste extraordinary. And my number 1 secret ingredient, Tabasco sauce. Yeah, to your taste. I do a couple dashes, but it adds such a great complex flavor. And then you just mix that all together, then spoon it on top of your favorite bread. And you'll have the most outstanding egg salad sandwich you've ever had. Make sure you check out the website at bcegg.com for a whole bunch of other great egg tips, recipes, and tricks. And this is Chef Dez signing out. Where are you getting your protein from?